What are emotions? Are they something that happen to you, or are they bodily signals that we interpret? Does everyone show emotions in the same way? Are there particular markers of the face or body that always mean anger or sadness or joy?
I'm about to crash out.
Oh, so it's like that?
Yeah, it's like that.
I was gonna show Ethan tonight, so I guess I gotta show you too.
What's up?
What you trying to do?
Ricky Saints. Yeah, I heard about you.
Emotional damage.
Yo, killing me with this. I can't even
I'm so sorry. I wish I could do something, but I can't.
Wait 2 years, every time I do an interview, they ask me about Eminem. The fuck you want me to do? Come on, man.
One condition, you mustn't laugh. Okay. What is the opposite of Benzino? What? A giraffe. Go with his neck, how the fuck is that? How can I go with something he doesn't have?
And after all these years of the media and the critics bashing me,
I'm emotional.
I hurt a whole lot. I blame myself for not being mentally prepared for a letdown.
Want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
I'm a young black kid from the hood,
Right.
And if you said something disrespectful, my fighting could beat you. I start punching you.
Right. Okay.
So, I said I dedicate my life to him.
I get on the plane. The woman sitting next to me has a 100-pound dog curled up in her lap. And I say, excuse me, but what the fuck is this? And this woman, I swear to God, she rolls her eyes at me. And she goes, this is my emotional support animal. I have a note from my doctor. I was like, note from your doctor? Do you really need an emotional support animal on this flight? And she goes, no. And I thought my head was gonna explode. I don't like when people take advantage of the system like that. It's a 2.5-hour flight. I talked to her about it. I'm happy to report, by the time we landed, she needed that fucking dog.
Really?
Just emotion, taking me over, lost in the song. Come home to me, darling. Don't you know that nobody left in this world? Nobody left in this world. Nobody left in this world. Nobody left in this world.
I told my wife I wasn't going to do this because I didn't want to see that for the next 3 or 4 years. That is what Kobe Bryant does to me.
Things come and go. Emotions come and go. The important thing is to accept them all, to embrace them all, and then you can choose to do with them what you want versus being controlled by emotion.